Hi, yes, like I did this hairstyle, but trust me, I really don't know how I can call it. There is anyone who can tell me the exact name of this hairstyle, write in the comment section. But of course, for us who really need to learn, we should also go into its tutorial and to see how I achieved this hairstyle. Yes, of course, as the way you can see, we are going to be doing it with our natural hair. And yes, we all know that when it comes to natural hair, when you have a human wave, sometimes it is very hard to blend very well with the natural hair because of the textures are different, the weave. So this time around, I tried to make sure that it blends well and to give us the look that you have just seen. So as a beginner, I would like you to give me your time so that we can do this together. And of course, we are going to use our molding gel as you can see how I'm doing it. And when it comes to this, we need to see that the spacing is also very, very interesting. And this is how the human weave, this is how it looks like. And of course, you can see how slippery it is. So to make sure that it blends very well with the natural hair, this is how we're supposed to look at. So now, as we're starting, this is how we do it with the natural human hair, okay? And we started like how we start that knotless braids. So you just keep on adding in, you leave it out as you're adding in, you're leaving it out so that you just braid only her hair. So this time around, I made sure that I braid only her hair without adding any hair extension, like maybe any synthetic hair extension, so that we can bring it out when it gives that natural look. So as you're seeing, the only thing that we need to focus on here, that I used two methods. And of course, from down, you can see that I'm starting like I'm doing the knotless braids. But of course, when I know that my person might be holding this straight path that is here, I always have to make sure that I braid my hair going to the directions that takes me to the center where the client is going to be styling her braids. So from the first line, the second line, we're going to use this same method so that you can also see how I can achieve when I reach on those top lines. So follow me as we're doing this together.
Number one, you know. A big thing this. Yeah. Banobeba number one. Polichimu bachikola from the art. Obukugu wapulo. The moli muyiga bona bachiso. Nobody can ever run them. Crochet master movie, him a run them. Mujembi ribakuwa. Balinga high grade ikwe soma. All of them are styles, them are do for you. Them are make you look nice and sexy too, yeah. For the beautiful woman, yeah. Come around here by creepers, yeah. They are by clippers fire. Dolina chongaba. They are by clippers fire. Oh na na, Dolina, Dolina chongamba, 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 Dolina, yeah 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 yeah. A number one crochet master, Morris. He got the touch of a cricket master, yeah. Oh no, no, no. Got those around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oh, you get the one boy I Morris, the cricket master, did a make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the cricket master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonjumye, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh no, 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 no. Nobody do it like Morris. The crochet master, crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, no, no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a cricket master, yeah, yeah. A touch of a cricket master, Morris, yeah, yeah. He got the touch of a cricket master, Morris, you cricket master, Morris, you cricket master, no, 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 touch of a cricket master. He's so good.
Okay, now this is the part that I also wanted to tell you, like these are one of my techniques. Like whenever I'm doing the knotless braids, this is how I always follow my directions. Okay, this is how I do it. So now when I reach here on top, what I always do is to make sure that when I make my box, the way I'm partitioning here, I make sure that we also do it in the direction that is going backwards. You know why? Because my path is going to be like here. So the way I was doing the one behind, it is not the same way I'm doing here. As you can see that I'm trying to do it using the inward knotless braiding as I'm adding, you see. So after braiding it that way, I make sure that I add in the extension, okay. Add in the extension from down again. I add it from down, and after when I braid, I also leave it out. The same way that I've been braiding the other way around, but this time around we are braiding it going backwards. So that means I do it from backwards. I do it like knotless braid. Now when I reach in front, I also do it using the inward knotless braiding, so that when I hold a puff, it is all going to be very flat and looking very, very neat. So this is how you can also achieve this method.
Touch of a cricket master, Morris, yeah, yeah. He got the touch of a cricket master, Morris, you cricket master, Morris, you cricket master, no, 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 touch of a cricket master. He's so good. For the ones that make us smile every day, pour their hearts in all they do every minute. Work so hard for us to be so bold, stand tall. We appreciate you, we love you, we say thank you, yeah, we say we are here for you. We are here for you. All our lives we've been waiting for this moment. We need like expected. We're here for you. We are here for you. Hair by clippers. 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 Oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko. Oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Confidence eri mu kikumi we give it out tetuleka you we the best to none. Anyawa kana ruleta tujja kulaga embiri twazitenga. Tuli ba big ballers, shot callers, tukola kwa babazewulira. So high in the sky, we know how to make it glam and look so splashy. Everybody, clippers, we the best. 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 Hair by clippers. 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 Oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko. Oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers.
Olabise bulungi, onyilira bulungi, fanana bulungi. Olabise bulungi, otunula bulungi.
Alright, so now when it is done all, you can see how amazing it looks, and of course you can always style it everywhere. Okay, we always make sure that we make 3 lines. That is the middle line, the sideways line, and of course this side. That you can go sideways, you can go midways, and also this side. And of course finally you can also puff it the way you want. So this is what I got for you, and please, if you love my work, you can always like the video, and of course if you have any question that you need to ask, just go right in the comment section and ask, of course. So in my other next video, I'll also teach you how I do this when using the kinky. Okay, so I hope you can also wait for that. So but before I finish this all, let's try to style it and see more of it.
Olabise bulungi, onyilira bulungi, fanana bulungi. Olabise bulungi, otunula bulungi, ofanana bulungi.
Zabadabuza nze nyabo akavideo kakoleddewa. Forgive me if I'm too bold, nayo nyumide gwe n'okamala.
Hair by clippers.
Bakutonyetonya kaviri, kulya kulaba kakwegomba, ofananye African queenie. Manicure, pedicure, checho. Wali ewamo bisidi crochet master, bali professional mu byenviri bakugunyo. If you wanna look good, come on visit. Bakukola kaviri, nola bikanga queenie. Body neat like expected, so good and fancy. Bakukola kaviri, nola bikanga mutini. Body neat like expected, so good and elegant woman.
Alongside Jambo Gorodi.
Jambo Gorodi, the ministers
So finally, I won't leave you without showing you the trending hairstyle that you're missing out. So please, you also need to plait these hairstyles. They're very nice and they're trending this year. Okay, so bye bye. May the Lord bless you all. Let's see them.
Yeah, oli malaika from head to your toes. Bakukozeko oli chiso. Eyo jovudde bamanyi kye bakola. Bakole biriko hair back clippers. Yeah. Hair back clippers. Balling it like expected. Hair back clippers. Yeah. Hair back clippers. Yeah. Hair back clippers. Balling it like expected. Hair back clippers. Yeah. Hair back clippers. Balling it like expected. Neat like expected.